This is a robot project, LG's XBOOM Go Bluetooth speakers. These look a bit like a robot head, don't they, with two eyes in them. So I'm going to use the PK7, the big one, to make a two-wheel balancing robot. And that's going to look something like this. So that's the whole thing built, but now it's together, what sort of things can we do with it? Well, you could use it to deliver cups of tea. But using the voice command feature, you can pair it with your phone and turn it into a smart speaker. Robot, play some disco music. In this video, don't forget to check out the LG XBOOM Go series of speakers, the PK7, the PK5 and the PK3.